Imagine a world where citizens can freely express their grievances without fear. Today, we are going to dive into the constitutional right of peaceful protest in Pakistan. What is peaceful assembly means? Peaceful assembly refers to the gathering of people in public spaces to express their opinion, protest, or demand change. Article 17 of the Constitution guarantees this right, allowing individuals to assemble without arms. Features of peaceful protest in Pakistan. People from all walks of life participate. Expression. It is a platform so where the voices can be raised, justice can be demanded, non-violence emphasis. The peaceful nature of these gatherings is very important. Legal protection. Article 17 safeguards the right. Did you know that Pakistan has a rich history of peaceful protest dating back to its independence movement? If you found this video informative, give it thumbs up and shares it with your friends. Let's spread awareness about the constitutional rights. Remember, your right to peaceful assembly is essential. Know it, protect it, and use it responsibly.